Welcome to the iMarq Summer 26 release, built around one goal: close the gap between the road and the shop. Tires are one of your fleet's biggest expenses, so we gave them their own home. The new Tires module tracks every tire, from installation to retirement, log inspections and tread depth by position, capture photos, and build a full service history right inside the iMarq workflow your team already uses. No separate forms, no separate tool. Just better visibility into one of your highest cost components. Next, iMarq now connects directly to Isaac Instruments telematics. A DVIR defect, fault code, or odometer threshold automatically creates a work order with the vehicle's location sent straight to a technician's phone. The tech logs labor, parts, photos, and sign-offs. On close, everything syncs back to Isaac and your CMMS. No defects lost, and a time-stamped audit trail ready for any DOT inspection. And iBot just got smarter with Pinpoint. Instead of digging through binders or PDFs, a technician just asks iBot a question, and Pinpoint finds the answer in manufacturer manuals and your own maintenance docs. Better yet, it shows exactly where the answer came from, down to the page and paragraph, so your team can trust it in seconds. That's a look at the iMarq Summer 26 release. Ready to see it in action? Visit connext.com now to book a demo.